Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Optimum Remote not working. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. First of all, check the battery. How to check this? Open the battery compartment cover and remove the old battery and check for the corrosion or damage on the old battery. Okay, if damage or control replace with new battery. Insert a new battery matching positivity or negativity and with correct polarity. Okay. Then repair the remote. How to do this? Press the home button on your Optimum remote. Navigate to the setting and select remote. Choose the option to pair the Optimum one remote. Before clicking on the pair remote, hold down the 7 and 9 buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds to enter pairing mode. Okay. And after holding button, click on pair remote control. Place the remote close to the Optimum receiver to establish a connection. If the pairing process is unsuccessful, hold the 7 and 9 button again for at least 5 seconds. Then press X or home button to exit the pairing screen. Okay. Then reset the Optimum remote. Simultaneously hold down 7 and 9 button for few seconds. Let go for the button, then press the power button for attempting the reset. Then try using the remote again with your cable box to see if the volume functionality has been restored. Okay. And if all of this step is still not working for you, you can go to Optimum customer support website and ask for the help, whatever kind of help you need. Okay. Here you can see contact number, check the availability in your IP address, means your in your area. Optimum support is available or not. Like in my current IP address, it's not available. So you can check here. Okay. So this is all step. Thanks guys. Having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.